Oh, y'all seeing too much.
I might be living your American dream, but I'm nowhere near where my dream is, dog. I got aspirations. I got big dreams.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am currently on a break at work, and I just got my packages that my mom sent. Hopefully you guys can hear me because I do got the patio door open, so I won't have to turn on my air because it's pretty cool outside today. I do, you know, I got on my gym clothes because I'm going to the gym probably at around 8 o'clock. So I just got some packages to my daughter clothes that I ordered, so hopefully my mom shipped some hangers for me. If not, they'll come next time, and I don't know where I'm gonna put this stuff. But I did just get my packages, so we're gonna open it and see what my mom sent over. So give me one moment, let me get the box. So I got two big boxes. Let me show y'all how to. I'm so happy to be getting my stuff because I left a lot of the organizing stuff back in Wisconsin because I needed like my work equipment, my desk, TVs, blankets, summer clothes, summer shoes, my air fryer I brought. Like I needed my filming equipment. I needed like that kind of stuff, so I had to like leave back like stuff that was more bulky that wouldn't fit in my car or my parents' car. Oh my God, I'm so happy to have my things. So I'm just gonna take stuff out, y'all, and y'all can just watch. A lot of my stuff because I was just so hung on I'm moving. So stuff like my parents will buy, stuff my sisters. Oh, something's broken. Oh no. It was one of these bowls. It's broke. Right now I am at work, still organizing what I can for now until my mom sent this last box with like kitchen stuff in it, so I can do my pantry, because right now my pantry is not the best and I really want to get it organized. So this is how it looks so far. I have all my paper towel from Sam's Club down there, so that's where it's gonna be held for now. But I got like more of these containers that's coming, stuff to put my noodles in and stuff like that. So I want it a bit more organized. I think all my stuff will fit in here. I was gonna eventually switch it out, but I think everything should fit in here. I gotta get a step stool because the shelves here are higher than I'm short. So yeah, I'm still organized. I'm making me some breakfast right now. So yeah, let me show y'all what I did yesterday. I think I showed y'all yesterday, but let me show y'all now. So I just put my scarves in here. It's not too organized yet, But it's getting there. It's better than what it was. Which I cut some stuff out, so now I think this can go down somewhere. I think I may put all the hair products over here. I'm not sure. What I'm gonna do now is finish like organizing the bathroom probably until my other stuff come next week for the kitchen, and I'll show you guys that. I got these towelettes from, where did I get these from? TJ Maxx. So I'm gonna try to put them in here. My mom got me this, so I think I'm gonna put these in here. I think this is a little bit too wide. Let me see how I'm gonna do this. Oh, I didn't even know y'all was still recording. So I got them in here the best way I can, so I'm able to pull one out right here. I almost broke it right here trying to stuff it, so I got this. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to make my breakfast. I'm just gonna make a breakfast sandwich. So yeah, y'all, I'm just about to cook me something to eat. A breakfast sandwich with like some chicken. Oh my God, it'd be so good. With a little jelly on it. On some raisin bread. I don't know when I'm coming back. Maybe later on today, but probably not. I'll see y'all probably. What's tomorrow? Maybe tomorrow. I'll see y'all soon. So hey you guys, today is Friday and I'm just about to touch up, put a little makeup on because I have meetings on Fridays. Meeting new members of my department, team, whatever you want to call it. So I just want to look presentable. So I'm just going to do a little makeup because I'm going to the gym once I get off later. When I do my makeup, it'll be in vlogs because I'm probably just going to be doing vlogs a lot, and my hair and makeup content is just going to be in the vlogs. Today is my daughter's day to drive, so we're gonna go and do that today. So I'm not gonna do a lot. I really do love this primer from Lancome. I'm really just gonna put on some concealer. Cosmetic store. That's really where I wanna go. And I got all my brushes in this bag because I need to get contact. So I'm gonna put that under my eye. I'm really just using powder. And then I'm gonna go, and I have to do my nails too because they are hideous. I was trying to take a break, but I have too much to do to take a break. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my contour stick from Kevin Aquan. Yo, I just do a little of that. For me, you gotta know. This is my Studio Fix Pro Set. Not looking for any kind of full coverage at all. Just a little something. Make sure I blend this together right here. That and set that. Y'all see, it just looks so good. Just looks really nice. So I'm gonna put some blush on, and lately I've been loving my, where did it go? Oh. I've been loving the Hank and Henry cream mousse, lips, eyes, and cheek. Y'all, this so good to me for fall time. So I like to mix it. So I'm gonna go in with Bobbi Brown, like on the rosy parts. So I'm gonna do, let me do the purple. Should I do the purple first? No, I'm gonna do the Bobbi Brown first. So I like to put the Bobbi Brown mostly on the apples of my cheek and blend it back. Oh my God, it's so just put it on the apples of my cheek and blend it back. And then tap, this is very pigmented. So I'm gonna tap the purple and go a little bit further back than the apples of my cheeks, and then blend up too. And sometimes I like to go over my eyelid just to give my eyelid a little color. I got that from Priscilla Ono, actually. Like, y'all, look, it is, oh my God, so pretty. Y'all, that is just so good. I'm gonna go in with my MAC NW45 just because I don't want my under eye to be as bright. So this will tone it down just a little bit. Y'all, this for everyday makeup is so good. Like, look. It looks so just fresh and quick and easy, which I like. Lip, my everyday lip, not too much at all. A little liner, and then I'm gonna go in with my Naturium lip balm. Y'all, and this is, let me curl my lashes. Look like, what? One thing I'm gonna do is have my hair and a little makeup on. Like, I have to have my hair decent and a little makeup on when I need to. And learning how to do quick little makeup looks like this, it takes you a long way.
It's what you all been waiting for, ain't it? What people pay paper for, damn it. They can't stain it, they want something new. So let's get reacquainted. Became the hood favorite, I can't even explain it. I surprised myself too. Life of a dawn, lights keep going. Coming in the club with that fresh shit on, with something crazy on my arm.